Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're diving into what's easily the most polarizing, exciting, and maybe a little terrifying debate in the modern working world. We're talking about the human factor in the age of autonomous labor. We really want to look at the intersection of AI and our careers, but we're going to cut through all the endless hype and doom scrolling and look at what the actual research and data are telling us right now. Let's get right into it. So, the big question, will AI replace you or just be your highly efficient coworker? Today, we're cutting through the panic with a clear roadmap of exactly what's ahead. We'll be looking at the case for replacement, the unbeatable economics driving it, the shift from mere tools to actual actors, the reality of the hybrid workforce, and finally, managing the AI swarm.
Section 1. The case for replacement.
To really grasp what's happening here, you've got to meet Alice. Alice was built by a company called 11x AI. Now, you need to understand, Alice is not just some software suite you log into. She's marketed as a full, autonomous replacement for a human sales development representative, or SDR. Alice is a perfect example of this entirely new class of digital workers that we call autonomous actors. And spoiler alert, she doesn't drink the last of the office coffee. But when we say autonomous, we literally mean it. Just look at what Alice actually does. She finds leads autonomously. She writes customized emails autonomously. She even books meetings entirely autonomously. I really want to hit the nail on the head here. These capabilities, they aren't some distant sci-fi projection we're just theorizing about. These are current direct job replacements happening on sales teams right this second. Alice basically wakes up and starts moving prospects down the sales funnel without a human ever even clicking a mouse. Moving on to Section 2, the unbeatable economics. Okay, you've got to take a look at this staggering number. According to a recent McKinsey report, utilizing these autonomous sales agents can reduce pipeline generation costs by a massive 60 to 80% compared to traditional human teams. Let that sink in. When a CFO sees a potential 80% discount on operational costs, well, they don't just ignore it, right? That statistic alone is literally shifting entire industry landscapes overnight. So here is the absolute financial gut punch. Think about it. A typical human SDR or marketing specialist costs a company anywhere from $55,000 to $85,000 a year. And honestly, that's just a minimum. But on the other side of the ledger, an autonomous AI employee can cost just $200 to $600 a month. We're talking about pitting expensive human salaries against cheap, 24/7 AI labor that doesn't take vacations, doesn't get sick, and absolutely never clocks out. The math is brutal.
Which brings us to Section 3, from tools to actors.
Now, to truly understand why this feels so fundamentally different from past tech revolutions, we need to look at how this new class of AI actually operates. We've crossed a line here. AI is no longer just a passive tool like a calculator, it's an actor. First, it understands high-level objectives, like, say, generate more sales in the healthcare sector. Second, it plans its own approaches to achieve that specific goal. And third, it executes complex, multi-step workflows entirely on its own to get it done. You just give them a destination, and they figure out the route themselves. It's a total game changer.
And what's even crazier is that they aren't just working in isolation. Recent research frameworks are already establishing secure inter-agent communication. What does that mean? Well, it means we are now seeing trusted, secure AI-to-AI collaboration. So your autonomous sales agent can securely communicate with an autonomous marketing agent or a finance agent to share data and execute workflows together. And it all happens completely behind the scenes.
Section 4, the hybrid workforce reality. So, take a deep breath. Before you decide to abandon your career and move to a cabin in the woods, let's look at the human reality of all this. Experts generally agree that AI isn't going to replace human workers wholesale. Instead, we're looking at a stark division of labor, because businesses are actively building hybrid teams. The AI handles the routine, repetitive, high-volume work. This actually frees us up to focus on what humans do best: high-level strategy, nuanced creativity, and deep relationship building. In this new world, your human soft skills aren't just a nice bonus anymore. They are absolutely your premium, irreplaceable asset. And finally, Section 5, managing the AI swarm. There's a really deep irony here, actually. As AI gets more autonomous, businesses are realizing they can't just leave it alone. The need for supervision actually increases. Enter a crucial piece of new industry jargon that you need to know: human on the loop. This is a model where humans act as high-level supervisors. We set the boundaries, we monitor the AI's behavior, and we critically intervene if the AI makes a mistake, maybe hallucinates a fact, or violates a company policy.
You are essentially the safety net and the guiding intelligence.
So here is the ultimate takeaway of this explainer. The new paradigm we're all stepping into right now. Going forward, a company might not need a whole department of 10 human workers doing repetitive tasks. Instead, they might only need one human manager to supervise a swarm of AI employees. The fundamental shift is this. You really aren't competing with the AI. You are evolving to manage a collaborating swarm of them. Your true value is shifting from being the person doing the clicking to the person directing the intelligence. Which leaves us with this final vital question for you to think about. Are you ready to manage the swarm? Look, the transition to this human-on-the-loop model is already happening. The people who are going to thrive in the next decade aren't the ones trying to outcompute the machines, for sure. They'll be the ones who learn to harness, supervise, and lead them. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really encourage you to think about how your own career can evolve into this wild new paradigm.